Buenos dias, everyone! ¿Cómo estás? My name is Mary Catherine Moscosa, a BEd 4th year student, and for today's video, I am going to present to you my monologue that is our major requirements in the subject speech and oral communication. So please sit tight and be engaged as I present to you my monologue. Enjoy!
Don't touch me. I still can't believe it. I mean, of all the people, you two, you were the ones I trusted the most. My best friend and my boyfriend. The two people I thought would never hurt me, never lie to me. And yet, here I am, feeling like a fool. I keep replying it in my mind that the moment I saw you together, the way you look at each other, it's like I was watching someone else's life. It didn't even feel real. I thought I was seeing things that maybe I was wrong, but I wasn't. Was I? You didn't even see me standing there watching you and watching everything fell apart. My heart just shattered. How could you? Both of you. Did you even think of me? About how would I feel? About what this will do to me? I trusted you. Both of you. You were the ones I went to with everything. My secrets, my fears, my dreams. And now, I don't know if any of it meant anything to you. I keep wondering how long it's been going on. How long you've been looking me in the eyes, pretending to care while lying to my face. Was it a game? Some twisted thrill? I don't understand how either of you could do this. Not to some stranger, but to me? Did I mean that little to you? I just, I just, I thought you were my people. The ones I could trust. The ones who'd never hurt me. And now, I have to figure out who I am without you. Without the two people I thought would always be there. I have to pick up the pieces and somehow move on. I hope it was all worth it. Congratulations to the both of you. And I hope we never see each other again. Goodbye.